Next, which is not the unit of distance? We'll see. Light year. What is light year? The distance travelled by a light in 1 year. This is the unit of distance. Parsec, parallactic second means largest distance. It is equals to 3.26 times of the light year. So, if light year is a unit of distance, parsec is also the unit of distance, larger unit of distance. So, this is also unit of distance. Angstrom units. Angstrom units is used to measure the size of the atom. Atomic size. Size means the diameter, whatever it is, the length, whatever you are measuring. So, angstrom unit is also size, means length. Whereas leap year means 366 days. In one leap year, you have 360 days. So, days means time, how much, how many seconds, how many minutes, how many hours, everything will be represented in days. So, one leap year has 366 days. This is a measure of time, whereas all others are measure of distances. So, which is not a unit of distance. So, leap year is not a unit of distance. Next, parsec is the unit of, there you know the answer, distance. What is the answer? Distance. Okay, not time, not mass, not temperature, nothing. So, parsec means parallactic second is the unit of distance. 1 nanometer is equals to how many angstroms? 1 nanometer, how many angstrom? Nanometer, how much ma? 10 power minus 9 meters. Nano means 10 power minus 9. Angstrom units. 1 angstrom unit is equals to 10 power minus 10 meters. So, you need to convert nanometers is how many angstrom units. Okay. I want to write 1 nanometer in terms of, I need to convert it in angstrom units. Angstrom means I should not have minus 10. I should have no minus 9. It should be minus 10. So, if I want to write this as 10 power minus 9, to convert into minus 10, how much extra is there? Minus 1. Okay. So, what I do is 10 power minus 1 into 10. You can't understand means what I do means, you see this. 10 upon 10. I kept 10 power minus 9 as it is. Whatever number I multiply, same number I divide. So, same answer 10 power minus 9 meters only. So, what I did is, I multiplied with 10 and I also divided with 10. Then what I will write means, this can be written as 10 power minus 9 into this 10 as it is. This 10 goes upwards means while how much it become? Minus 1. 10. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 power minus 1. 1 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square equals to 10 power minus 2. 1 by 1000, 10 power 3 is nothing but 10 power minus 3. So, 1 0, 10 power minus 1. 2 zeros, 10 power minus 2. 3 zeros, 10 power minus 3. How many zeros in denominator? 1 0. So, it is written as 10 power minus 1. So, this I noted. This also I consider both the values. What is left over? 10. So, 10 meters. Isn't it, children? Okay. Look at here. So, 10 minus 9 and minus 1. Overall powers are added. Minus 9, minus 1. Minus 9, minus 1, how much? Minus 10. So, your answer is 10 power minus 10 into 10 meters. But 10 power minus 10 meters can be written as 1 angstrom units. And how much it is left? 10. So, your answer would be 10 angstrom units. What is that? 10 angstrom units. This is your right answer. Shall we check it back? So, 10 angstrom units is nothing but 10 into 10 power minus 10 meters. 10 into 10 power, nothing is there means you carry 1. 1 minus 10, how much is that? 10 power 1 minus 10 is minus 9 meters. 10 power minus 9 meters is nothing but 1 nanometer. Same thing. So 1 nanometer equals to 10 angstrom units. Okay. Or simply 1 nanometer is equals to 10 angstrom units. Same. Okay. Next. If 1 parsec is equals to 3.26 light years, then 1 parsec is equals to how many meters? We'll see. How much is that? 1 parsec. We already know that it is equals to 3.26 light years. 3.26 light years means 3.26 into 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. You multiply 3.26 with 9.46. Then how much you'll be getting, children? Something around, multiply this. 3.08 into 10 power 18 meters. You multiply this 326 into 946 and the decimals you carry accordingly. You will be getting this, 9 3 is 27, no? Okay. 16 meters, sorry. 1 parsec is equals to how much? You just go through this, multiply 3.26 with 9.46, you'll get some 30.8 something value will be get. Instead of 30.8, just to carry the decimal forward and that 15 will become your 16. Just simply multiplication. 3.26 you already know. Instead of light year, I wrote it as 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. If you are still confused, go with the concept that I have explained you in the beginning of the class. Sorry. And the right answer would be 3.08 into 10 power 16 meters. Statement problems. 1 light year is equals to 3 lakh into 365 days into 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds, and 1 light year in distance they have given you. Statement B. 1 light year is equals to 3 into 10 power 8 into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. Yes, both statements are true. 3 into 10 power 8, speed, light year, means distance equals to speed into time. Time is 365 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Exact. So, this you multiply, you get the value as something like 3.26 into 10 power 15 meters. No doubt. Just multiply. This is not 108, children. Correction, make a correction. This is 3 into 10 power 8. Similarly, 1 light year means how much is that? You have here 3 into 10 power, how many zeros? 5. Okay, here it was 8 and here only 5 into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. Okay, 3 into 10 power 5, 365, 24, 60, 60. And instead of kilometer, let me write it as 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1000 meters means how much? 10 power 3 meters. So now this 3, similar. This 365, 365, clear? 24, 24, 60, 60, 60, 60. Power 10 power, how much power? 5. 10 power, how much power? 3. 5 and 3 add up. 5 plus 3, how much? 8. 10 power 8. So, 10 power 8. All are same. So, again if you multiply the same, you will also get the value as 3.26 into 10 power 15 meters. So, same value. So, statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is also true. So, both the statements are true. That's all. Both the statements are true. Next, 1 light year is equals to how many kilometers? We'll see. 1 light year. Sorry, children. Small correction. This is light year, na? Yeah. This is not 3.26. It must be 9.46. I'm sorry. This must be 9.46. Well, 1 light year is equals to how many kilometers? Just now we have discussed 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. But your answer you asked in kilometers. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Let us try to convert meters into kilometers. So 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 power 15 upon 1 meter. 1 meter should be written as 1 by 1000 kilometer. Isn't it, children? So 9.46 10 power 15, instead of meter I wrote it as 1 by 1000 kilometers. So this is equals to 9.46 into 10 power 15 by 10 power 3 kilometers. 10 power 3 moves up. 9.46 into 10 power 15 into move up 10 power minus 3 kilometer. 15 minus 3, how much? 12. So your answer is 9.46 into 15 minus 3. That is 12 kilometers. Where is the answer? 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometers. Second answer. Okay. 1 mile is equals to how many pole? We need to check it out. Earlier I told you that 1 mile is equals to, we have 3 feet. Shall I come in the reverse way? I told you that 1 mile is equals to 80 chains. And 1 chain is equals to 4 poles. That's all. So you want to convert miles to poles. So how many chains are there we have? 1 mile is 80 chains. 80 chain means 80 into chain can be written as 4 poles. 1 mile is 80 chain, but 1 chain is 4 poles. So 80 I wrote as it is. Instead of 1 chain I wrote it as 4 poles. So 8 fours 32. 320 poles. So 1 mile is equals to 320 poles. Okay. 1 mean solar day is equals to how many seconds? 1 day. How many seconds? 86,400 seconds. Sorry. 86,400 seconds. How many centimeters make 1 nanometer? We'll see. Centimeters. 1 nanometer. Nanometer is nothing but 10 power minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter. But we want the answer in centimeters. So this is equals to 10 power minus 9. We have 1 meter. How many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So every meter we can write it as 100 centimeters. So 1 meter I can write it as 100 centimeters. So 10 power minus 9. 100 means 10 power how many zeros? 2 zeros. Minus 9 plus 2 how much? Yes, it is 10 power minus 7 centimeters. So 1 nanometer is equals to 10 power minus 7 centimeters. Here goes your answer. 1 Fermi is equals to how many centimeters? 1 Fermi means femtometer or Fermi 10 power minus 15. So 1 Fermi is equals to 10 power minus 15 nuclear size meters. Again 1 meter you can write it as 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is nothing but 10 square centimeters. Both are same. We'll see. So 1 Fermi is equals to 10 power minus 15 into 1 meter. Instead of 1 meter, how much I can write? 10 square centimeters. Earlier I wrote the same. 100 centimeters or 10 square centimeters. Hence the value of 1 Fermi is equals to minus 15 plus 2 how much? Minus 13 centimeters. Where is the answer? 1 Fermi is equals to 10 power minus 13 centimeters. 1 millennium is equals to how many decades? Decade means 10 years. Millennium means 1000 years. We'll see. 1 millennium is equals to 1000 years. I can write this as 100 into 10 years. 1000 can be written as 100 into 10. But 10 years means nothing but 10 years means 1 decade. So instead of 10 years, I can write it as a decade. So 1 millennium is equals to how many decades? 100 decades. Where is that? Second option. 1 millennium is equals to 100 decades. Express a speed of 18 by 5 km per hour in meter per second. Important concept. What is the question they gave? 18 by 5 km per hour. This is the given question. You need to convert it. To convert it, what I write it as? Shall I write it here? 18 by 5. Okay, kilometer means 1 kilometer. Kilometer you need to convert in meters. 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. So 1000 meters by 1 hour. You need to convert hour into seconds. How many seconds 1 hour? Yes. 60 into 60, not 86,000. 1 day means 86,400. 1 hour, 60 seconds. Sorry, 60 minutes. And again 1 minute, 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3,600. 3,600 seconds. Now, if you want to simplify, 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. What you are left with? 18 into 10 by 5 into 36, numerator meter, denominator second. Again, let us try to simplify. 5 2's 10, 18 2's 36. Upper to lower to cancel. So, how much left over? 1. So, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour is equals to 1 meter per second. Remember, always remember, 1 meter per second equals to 18 by kilometer. Similarly, if you want 1 kilometer per hour, take this to the other side. Then it will become 5 will go up, 18 will come down. So, what is this, children? Also, one thing you remember here, 1 kilometer per hour, if you are asked, means this number to be carried the other side. If this number carried the other side, that will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means 5 goes up, 18 comes down. 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour is 1 meter per second. So, your answer is 1 meter per second. Calculate the number of light years in 1 meter. Well, we have 1 light year equals to how much? 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters. If you want 1 meter, just 1 meter, then keep this meter, only meter here, the whole number to be carried to the other side. When the number goes to the other side, it will become reciprocal 1 by 9.46 into 10 power 15 light years, Ly. Light years, I write it as Ly. Ly. So, one by 9.46, 1 meter you want to connect. You can't divide 1 in this, no? So what I do is, I multiply 9.46 into 10 power 15 into 10 by 10. So light years is the value of 1 meter. So this 10 power 15 into 10, how much is that? So 10 divided by 9.46 into 10 power 15 and 1 will be 10 power 16 light years. So 1 meter is equals to 10 divided by 9.46 into 10 power 16. Answer 10 divided by 9.46 is 1.0 something you will get. Where is everywhere we have 1.0. Here is also there, here is also there. Okay, you can't get 0.0 or not 1.57. Just divide this. Then 10 power 16, if goes up, it will become 10 power minus 16 meters. So 1.0 something into 10 power minus 16 meters. Where is the answer? This one. It can't be minus 14. It will be minus 16 only. Okay. Just try dividing this 10 with 9.46. This will be carried upwards 10 power minus 16. That's it, children. Yes. Express 1 parsec in terms of light years. 1 parsec is equals to 3.26 light year. This is what I already explained you. So 1 parsec is how many light years? It is 3.26 light years. 1 parsec is 3.26 light years. So here we have completed the worksheet number 3 from concept number 3. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. Thank you all, and let us meet in the next video. Thank you, children.